Have you ever wished you could manifest your desires faster? Like lightning in a bottle fast? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to blow your mind with a manifesting hack that gets crazy results. Seriously, I'm still reeling from how quickly this worked for me. I've been wanting this for ages, but it always felt just out of reach. Then I stumbled on this technique. I'm talking about a way to reprogram your mind and get the universe working in your favor like never before. And the coolest part? It's surprisingly simple. So, if you're ready to level up your manifesting game and start seeing almost instant results, trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'm about to spill all the secrets. Okay, before I reveal this awesome technique, there's something we need to address. We live in a world that's obsessed with instant gratification. We want everything now. But here's the thing about manifesting. It doesn't always work on our timeline. Why? Well, think about this. The thing you want, whether it's a new job, a soulmate, that dream vacation, it already exists in some form out there in the universe. See, time is kind of an illusion when it comes to manifesting. Your role isn't to create something totally new, but to align yourself with the vibration of what you already desire. It's about becoming a match for it. And here's where that awesome manifesting hack comes in. The problem is, we often get stuck on our idea of how and when something should manifest. We might try to control the process, mapping out exactly how it should unfold. And hey, sometimes that works, but when it doesn't, we get discouraged, thinking this whole manifesting thing is bogus. But here's the realization that changed everything for me. The universe often has way better plans for us than we can even imagine. Instead of clinging to rigid expectations, what if we embrace the beautiful uncertainty of it all? See, some of the best things that have happened in my life, they came completely out of left field. Opportunities I could never have predicted. That's the magic of releasing control and trusting that you're being guided to something extraordinary, even if it looks different than you thought. Okay, friends, are you ready to dive into this technique? I'm telling you, when I first tried this, it felt like I'd unlocked some kind of cheat code for manifesting. And the crazy thing is, it's actually incredibly simple. Here's what makes it powerful. This method isn't just about wishful thinking. It taps into the way your mind and emotions directly influence your reality. Think of it like training your brain to become a magnet for your desires. Now, I'm going to break this down step by step. No fluff, just the practical stuff that gets results. Here's the deal. First, we're going to get super clear on what you really want. Like crystal clear. Next, we'll harness the power of visualization and something called embodied emotion to make your desire feel real in the present moment. Finally, there's a crucial step that most people miss. This is where we release attachment to the outcome and make space for the universe to work its magic. I promise this isn't some complicated mystical process. It's about making small, powerful shifts in your mindset that have a massive ripple effect on your life. Now, the real key to this technique, the thing that makes it next level, is something called certainty. Remember how we talked about time being an illusion? Well, in order to align with what you want, you have to operate as if it's already yours. It's about having absolute certainty that your desire is a done deal. Think about it. If you're constantly waffling, sending out mixed signals of doubt and hope, the universe gets confused. But when you embody this unwavering certainty, that's when things start to shift. Okay, how do we do this practically? Simple. We're going to write some I am certain statements. Grab a pen and paper, trust me on this. Start with I am certain, and then complete the sentence with your desire, written in the present tense as if it has already happened. Now here's the thing. It's not just about the words on the page. There's actually some fascinating science behind why writing down our intentions is so powerful. Researchers have found that when we write things down, it activates different parts of our brain related to action and goal achievement. It basically tricks your brain into thinking you've already started taking steps towards your goal. But here's where it gets really exciting. It's not enough to just write the words and leave it at that. You have to feel the certainty in your bones. Close your eyes for a moment. As you read your "I am certain" statements, visualize what your life would look like, how you would feel once your desire manifests. Really soak in those feelings. Maybe you feel joyful, excited, relieved, or deeply content. Let those emotions wash over you. This is what it feels like to align with having what you want. This kind of embodied emotion sends a powerful message to the universe. It's no longer just a wish, it's a deep knowing. Remember, the universe responds to the energy you're putting out. If your energy is hesitant and unsure, that's what you'll attract. But when you radiate this unwavering certainty, that's when the magic really starts to happen. Now, how long does it take to really embody this feeling of certainty? That's going to vary from person to person and for different desires. Some things might click into place quickly, while others might take a little more time. Don't get discouraged. Trust the process. Here's the most important thing. You have to trust your own intuition. If something doesn't feel right or resonate with you, don't force it. This manifesting stuff is deeply personal. The techniques that work wonders for one person might fall flat for another. It's about finding what feels most authentic for you. Now think about that feeling of certainty, that deep inner knowing that what you desire is on its way. That feeling is like rocket fuel for manifestation. It sends out such a strong, clear signal that the universe can't ignore. But there's more to it than just feeling good. See, this manifesting hack is just one principle out of a system I've discovered that combines the most potent aspects of manifestation to supercharge your results. It's about activating 6 powerful principles in the right order, and once they click, watch out. Your desires become inevitable. So, are you ready to delve deeper? Because if you love this technique, you're going to be blown away when I reveal the rest of the principles. These are the game changers that will unlock insane levels of manifesting power. You won't want to miss this. Whoa, that was a lot to take in, right? If your mind is buzzing right now, that's a good sign. It means you're starting to understand how powerful your thoughts and emotions truly are in shaping your reality. Now, before I wrap up, I want you to do something for me. If this resonated with you, if you're feeling inspired and excited to try this technique and level up your manifestation game, hit that like button. Let's spread this message and show people that we don't have to settle for a mediocre life. We can create the reality we truly desire. And if you're hungry for more mind-blowing manifesting content, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. Trust me, the best is yet to come. I'm going to be sharing all the remaining principles of this powerful system, along with tons of tips and techniques to help you manifest your dream life. Remember, you have the power to create extraordinary things. You are a limitless being. It's time to step into that power and start living the life you were meant for. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, keep manifesting those miracles.